Stop! You're grabbing the wrong power tool for the job. An impact driver and an impact wrench look similar, but they are not the same. They're built for totally different tasks. It's about power, parts, and purpose. The biggest difference is torque. A wrench has massive power for stuck bolts. Look at the tips. Drivers take small hex bits. Wrenches use square drives for sockets. Use the driver for building a deck. For changing a tire, you need the wrench. The rule is simple. Grab the driver for screws. Grab the wrench for nuts and bolts. Knowing this saves you time, money, and the pain of stripped fasteners.